We often hear about the top 2% of achievers. They seem to possess a secret formula for success. What sets them apart? Is it luck, privilege, or something more? The answer lies in understanding the mindset and habits that drive these individuals. They are not born with superpowers. They simply understand how to harness their potential. By examining their strategies, we can unlock the secrets to success. We can apply these principles to our own lives. This video will delve into the key factors that contribute to the extraordinary achievements of the top 2%. We will explore the importance of mindset, goal setting, continuous learning, and more. Whether you aspire to be a CEO, an artist, or simply live a more fulfilling life, the principles outlined here can guide you on your journey. Let's unlock the secrets of success together. Success begins in the mind. Before you can achieve anything great, you must first believe in your potential. The top 2% have an unwavering belief in their ability to accomplish their goals. They don't let self-doubt hold them back. This doesn't mean they are arrogant or unrealistic. They acknowledge their limitations, but they focus on their strengths. They embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. They cultivate a positive mindset that fuels their actions. Believing in yourself is not a one-time event. It's a daily practice. Surround yourself with positive influences. Challenge negative thoughts. Focus on your past successes. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Believe in your potential, and you've already taken the first step towards success. A ship without a destination will drift aimlessly. Similarly, success requires clear goals and a well-defined plan. The top 2% don't just wish for success, they set SMART goals. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Setting SMART goals provides direction and focus. A specific goal, like write a book, is more effective than a vague goal like be successful. Measurable goals allow you to track progress. Achievable goals prevent discouragement. Relevant goals align with your values. Time-bound goals create urgency. For example, instead of saying, I want to be a better writer, a SMART goal would be, I will write a 50,000-word novel within the next year, attending 3 writing workshops and joining a critique group. This goal is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. By setting SMART goals, you create a roadmap for success. The journey to success is a continuous learning process. The top 2% are lifelong learners. They are always seeking new knowledge and skills. They read books, attend conferences, and take courses. They are not afraid to ask questions and learn from their mistakes. In our rapidly changing world, complacency is not an option. New technologies emerge, industries evolve, and skills become obsolete. To stay ahead of the curve, you must be adaptable and willing to learn. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. Learning doesn't have to be formal or expensive. There are countless free resources available online and in your community. Join a book club, listen to podcasts, or take online courses. The key is to cultivate a thirst for knowledge. This will make learning a lifelong habit. Remember, the more you learn, the more you grow. Dare to leap, taking calculated risks. Success rarely comes without taking risks. The top 2% are not afraid to step outside their comfort zones. They understand that calculated risks are essential for growth and innovation. However, they don't take risks blindly. Before taking a leap, they carefully assess the potential rewards and consequences. They gather information, analyze the situation, and seek advice from experts. They weigh the pros and cons before making an informed decision. Taking risks doesn't mean being reckless. It's about calculated decision making. Start with small, manageable risks. As you gain confidence, you can gradually increase the level of risk you're comfortable with. Remember, the greatest risk is not taking any risks at all. bouncing back, resilience and perseverance. The road to success is rarely smooth. There will be setbacks, obstacles and failures along the way. What sets the top 2% apart is their resilience and perseverance. They view failures as learning opportunities, not as defeats. When faced with adversity, they don't give up. They analyze the situation, learn from their mistakes, and come back stronger. They possess an unwavering belief in their ability to overcome challenges. Resilience and perseverance are like muscles. The more you train them, the stronger they become. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. Surround yourself with supportive people. Remember, setbacks are temporary, but your spirit is unbreakable. Time is precious. Mastering time management. Time is our most valuable resource. The top 2% understand this and manage their time effectively. They prioritize tasks, set boundaries, and avoid distractions. They use their time intentionally to achieve their goals and objectives. Effective time management involves planning and discipline. Start by identifying your most important tasks. Break down large tasks into smaller, more manageable ones. Use a planner or calendar to schedule your day. Learn to say no to distractions. Time management is about working smarter, not harder. Delegate tasks when possible. Use technology to automate repetitive tasks. Take breaks to avoid burnout. Remember, every minute counts. By mastering time management, you can accomplish more and live a more fulfilling life. The power of connection. Building strong networks. No one achieves success alone. The top 2% understand the importance of building strong networks. They surround themselves with supportive and inspiring individuals. They actively seek mentors, collaborators, and friends who share their values and aspirations. Networking is not just about exchanging business cards. It's about building genuine relationships. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and reach out to people you admire. Be a good listener, offer help when you can, and stay connected. Your network is your net worth. Surround yourself with positive influences. Seek mentors who can guide you. Collaborate with individuals who challenge and inspire you. Remember, success is a team sport. Finding the balanced work-life harmony. Success is not just about professional achievements. It's about living a balanced and fulfilling life. The top 2% understand the importance of work-life harmony. They make time for their families, hobbies, and personal well-being. They set boundaries, giving them the balance they need with their work and personal time. They prioritize their health and well-being. They understand that taking breaks and recharging is essential for long-term success. Work-life balance is not about equal hours. It's about finding a sustainable rhythm that works for you. Make time for activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Disconnect from work regularly. Prioritize your health and well-being. Remember, success is meaningless without happiness and fulfillment. Your journey to success. Embracing the path. Unlocking the secrets of the top 2% is not about replicating their lives. It's about understanding the principles that drive their success and applying them to your own unique journey. Success is not a destination. It's a continuous process of growth, learning, and adaptation. Embrace the journey. Believe in your potential. Set smart goals. Never stop learning. Take calculated risks. Cultivate resilience and perseverance. Master time management. Build strong networks. And most importantly, find the balance that brings you happiness and fulfillment. The path to success is uniquely yours to define. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and never stop striving for your best self. The journey starts now. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Tell All Wealth, and hit the notification bell for more tips. Thanks for watching.